Have you ever wondered how food stays fresh? Packaging plays a huge role in keeping food safe. Let's go and explore some of the materials used for packaging in Prime Supermarket.
Bottles, containers, and even food wrappers. All these items are made of plastic. So, what is it? Plastic is a synthetic material made of hydrocarbon chains, flown and polymers. It's one of the most commonly used materials used for packaging, mainly due to its high chemical stability. This allows packaging to remain waterproof as well as ensures food stays fresh for prolonged periods of time. Its high versatility also enables it to be molded into different shapes to store a variety of food items. However, plastic isn't biodegradable, and single-use plastics contribute largely to environmental pollution as well as waste accumulation in landfills. Hence, research points towards biopolymers, polymers derived from biological sources that enable it to be biodegradable to tackle this issue.
I'm sure many of us have cans of drinks stored at home over a significant period of time, and when we open it, we find that the beverage is completely safe to drink. Why? These packages are usually made of metals such as aluminium, tin plate, and stainless steel, which are excellent in barrier protection and provide complete resistance over oxygen, light, and moisture, which helps prevent spoilage of food and extending its shelf life. The main advantage of steel is that it's extremely prone to corrosion and that it's what causes metals to deteriorate and rust, causing food to go bad. Secondly, metallic elements can also cause severe health complications in food. For example, acidic food like tomatoes could be affected by aluminium if the metal is used for storage, as the acidity can react with the metal and contaminate the food. Metal packaging are also stronger than plastic and paper because metals have tightly bonded crystalline structures that give them high tensile strength, excellent toughness, and better resistance for deformation.
Think of solid, where atoms are locked in a deliberate mess. That's glass. An amorphous silicon dioxide network with other oxides, frozen from a melt before crystals can form. Glass in packaging can be seen here, in jars and bottles. Why does it work? It is clear and tunable, gas and moisture-tight, heat-resistant product that is endlessly recyclable. However, it is brittle and weak under long-term tension. If I drop it right here, it would shatter. They are also hard to machine, heavier than plastics, and energy-hungry to make. So, what's next? Stronger but lighter jars and bottles due to advanced coating and chemistries keep thinner walls but allowing for stronger durability. Glass. Not just transparent, but transformative.
So we'll move to the next packaging material, paper, and honestly, it's both pros and cons. On the plus side, it's very eco-friendly because it's renewable, recyclable, and biodegradable. It's also lightweight, which means lower transport costs compared to materials like metals or glass. Another nice thing is that it's super easy to print on, so logos, labels, or product details, it will become out really clear. But for plain water, it also has a weakness. It does not resist water at all. Once it gets wet, it's low strength. It also offers almost no protection against oxygen, so it can be tear or deform quite easily. That's why for moist or fatty foods like meats, dairy, or pepper, we usually need a plastic or wax coating. For dry food like cereals, flour, or sugar, pepper won't spread on its own. But for anything wetter, you will need those layers. So overall, pepper is affordable, light, and sustainable. But the challenge is finding a balance between protecting the food and keeping the packaging eco-friendly.
Okay, wow. For the next material, I'll be talking about using wood in food packaging, such as wood crates to handle fruits. The advantages of using food materials for crates: it is strong and stackable, which helps to protect the fruits. It is oxygen resistant. The open crates allow the fruits to breathe, so gases will not build up. It is corrosion resistant, therefore it will not rust and handles the fruit's acidity well. And lastly, it is a sustainable material as it is renewable and biodegradable. However, the disadvantage of using wood is not moisture resistant. If soaked with water, it might produce molds that might contaminate the fruits. In conclusion, wood gives protection, airflow, and low environmental impact, ideal for fresh fruits to be stored in supermarkets.
To summarize, plastic is one of the most versatile and widely used materials. Metal packaging are strong and excellent barrier protectors against light, oxygen, and moisture. Wood is ideal for supermarket foods, good protection, and airflow with low environmental impact. Paper is eco-friendly and renewable and allows for cheaper transport. And glass is chemically inert and non-porous, which preserves taste and aroma and is great for beverages and sauces.